Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bread lollipops. First, gather your simple ingredients like bread, milk, and a touch of sugar. Next, carefully cut your bread into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1 inch square. Then, combine these bread pieces with the milk and sugar in a mixing bowl. Mix everything thoroughly until it forms a pliable, dough-like consistency, ready for the next step. Now that your bread mixture is ready, it's time to shape those delicious lollipops. Roll the mixture into small, round balls, aiming for about 1.5 inches in diameter. Carefully insert a lollipop stick or skewer into the center of each ball, making sure it's firmly embedded. This prevents them from falling apart later. Place your perfectly shaped lollipops onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. With your lollipops shaped, it's time to cook them to perfection. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the lollipops for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack and allow them to cool completely. This crucial step ensures they firm up nicely and are easy to handle for the final touches. The final and most exciting step is decorating your bread lollipops. Melt your favorite chocolate or prepare a simple glaze. Dip each cooled lollipop into the melted chocolate or glaze, ensuring an even coating. Immediately sprinkle with colorful edible decorations like sprinkles or crushed nuts. Now, your delightful bread lollipops are ready to be served and enjoyed as a fun, unique treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.